Subscribe to Vase Tech Tips and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase here, and today I am going to show you how you can enable auto power on your LED TV, or how you can open the factory settings of your LED TV. So let's begin. So I have powered on my LED TV, and currently you are seeing my home street. A person is painting the other home, but anyways, now you're going to go to the menu. Here you can see on the remote there's a button saying menu. Press on it, and then you're going to type 1147. That's the password for the factory settings. You can see 1147. Okay, again 1147, and you can see on the top it says factory settings. Okay, now on the top here it says version, ADC adjust, white balance adjust, picture mode, sound mode, overscan, curve setting, function, USB update, UART debug, burning mode, shipping mode, VIF1. So there are a lot of factory settings. I'm not going to tweak with them, but if you want to, you can do that as well. Anyways, you're going to go to function, and you're going to press enter, and here it says 2 hour off, WDT, white pattern, reset. You can reset your TV settings from here, power mode, SSC. Anyways, there are a lot of settings. Here it is, power mode off. Now I'm just going to press on the right key, and it's going to get on. And now what's going to happen, that when you power off your TV, and you're just going to power on by plugging the cable of your of your LED TV, or pressing the button, it will power on itself in 5 seconds. So after that, you're going to press on exit, and it has said. Now let's check it out. Turned off my TV, you can see that there is a little red light indicating that it is still plugged to the wall. Now I'm going to unplug it from the wall socket. Okay, now you can see that the red light is off, and now I'm simply just going to plug in the LED TV's power cable, and now I have to wait for 5 seconds, and it is going to power on by itself. As you have seen, the red light turned green and it has powered on by itself, and here it is. So this is how you enable auto power on your smart LED TV or just LED TV, and also how you go to the factory setting. Again, it's very simple. All you have to do is press on menu. 1147 is the password for factory setting, and from here you can adjust different settings, function, and it is power on mode. It's on. You can off it if you want, and that's it. So guys, I hope that you like this video. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video.